Are you still letting your uninvested cash sit idle in a standard brokerage account, or worse, a big bank savings account earning next to nothing? For a long time, I treated my M1 account purely as an investment vehicle, but once I started treating the M1 cash account as the brain of my entire financial system, everything changed. By leveraging a few specific features, some of which are buried in the settings, I've managed to automate my savings, maximize my yield, and eliminate manual transfers forever. Here are the best M1 cash account hacks I've used to optimize my money in 2026. 1. The swept interest dividend loop. Most people let their dividends sit in their invest account until they hit the $25 auto-invest threshold. Instead, I set a smart transfer rule to sweep any cash over a $0 balance in my brokerage account directly into my high-yield cash account. This ensures that every penny of dividend income starts earning the current 3.1% APY, or higher with promotions, the second it hits my account, rather than waiting for the next trade window. 2. The multi-tiered emergency fund. I don't just keep one lump sum in cash. I use the overbalance rule to create a self-funding system. I set my cash account threshold to $5,000, my immediate liquidity. Any dollar that exceeds that $5,000 is automatically pushed into my aggressive invest pie. If my cash balance ever drops below $2,000 due to an unexpected bill, I have an underbalance rule that triggers a transfer from my taxable brokerage back into the cash account. It's a closed-loop system that keeps me fully invested without ever fearing a bounced check. 3. The 2026 APY Boost Strategy. If you're a new user or opening a secondary joint account, pay attention to the APY Boost windows. Right now, M1 is offering a plus 0.65% boost for 12 months on new high-yield cash accounts opened before January 31, 2026. By moving my primary savings into a newly opened joint account with my partner, we effectively locked in a 3.75% APY for the next year, significantly outperforming the base rate without moving to a different platform. 4. Dynamic Margin Paydown. If you use M1 Borrow, this hack is a lifesaver. You can set a smart transfer rule where any excess cash in your high-yield account, say, anything over your monthly expenses, automatically pays down your margin loan balance. Because M1's margin rates are often higher than the interest you earn on cash, this hack effectively guarantees you a return equal to the margin interest rate, which is a much better use of cash than just letting it sit. 5. Automated IRA Maxing. Instead of trying to remember to fund my Roth IRA every month, I set an overbalance rule from my cash account to my Roth. I set a custom endpoint so the automation pauses once I hit the annual IRS contribution limit. It's the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it way to ensure my retirement is funded before I have the chance to spend that money elsewhere. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.